5 things not to do. There's a long list of things that you should do, but 5 no-nos. Share those with us tonight, if you would.
That's exactly right. A lot of times I get asked the question, once you're involved in a car collision, what should you do? That's a great question, but equally important, like you said, is what not to do. Very quickly, 5 things that I would advise not to do. Number 1, do not leave the scene. If you're involved in a car collision, stay there at the scene, check on anyone else that's involved, wait for law enforcement, and it says there, don't forget to call 911. That's important to make sure that some type of law enforcement comes to the scene, because you want to have proper documentation, and you do not want to forget to make sure that a wreck report is made, that photographs are taken. And another thing that can come up sometimes is we get heated when this happens.
Sure.
You may be on the way somewhere, you may be carrying a child with you, and it's very easy to lose your cool, and do everything you can to keep a calm head, to stay cool and collected, and treat others with respect. But the last thing that is extremely important is do not neglect what you do after you leave the scene. Make sure if you need medical care, you go seek that, and you follow up to make sure you yourself are taken care of, and that you are totally checked out, to make sure if there are injuries that you seek treatment for that. That's a last thing that you do not want to forget.